even though nobody asked for it. I am finally excited to show you guys where all the magic happens. I thought it would be such a cool idea to show you guys my nail room and everything that's in it. It's still a work in progress. I'm those type of people that will change the room every other month. So I'm always doing something new to it, and I just haven't found exactly what I want to do with this room just yet. But I will be giving you guys a nail room tour in this video. I will have a link in my description down below with my Amazon storefront. I will have some of the products I have here listed there if you guys want to go check that out. So let's get started with my room tour. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you first walk in. To my right, I have an extra seating and then mini fridge that I do have to restock. Here I have nail swatches, which honestly, I don't know if any nail tech can back me up, but I hate doing swatches. So most of the nail polishes that I have up there are not even in here. Here we have a logo, neon logo. I did get this on Amazon. I have this cushion armrest. It's super comfortable and it allows my client to fully, let me see if I can show you guys, allows my client to like fully put their whole arm there and like not get tired, because sometimes I know there's some armrests that like just have the arm dangling and then your elbows also dangling and it's super uncomfortable. But my clients have really liked this one actually. I have my Kiara Sky nail lamp. I think it's 2 years or a year that I've been with this lamp. I really do like it. This is where I keep all my nail brushes in this glass container. I actually found this at Dollar Tree. You don't need expensive things to decorate your room, guys. I found these on Amazon. They're like empty perfume bottles and I fill them up with alcohol. I found this on Shein. It's pump bottle. And this is, I use this for my structure manicures or Gel-X in general. It's just baby powder literally in here, just because I find it easier when I'm using my nail drill. It glides easier, so it's not too much pressure on my nail bits and they last longer because you're not applying so much force. And I have fluffy brushes, acetone, and then this one is the Young Nail Swipe. I know I have to label them, but I haven't got into that. Over here I have my cat eye swatches, my gels. I try to organize them, like I have my Sean Legends up there. And then I have the D&Ds. I have my American Creator hard gels. These are my favorite ones to use. I'm missing the Almadine one, but that one is always sold out. But thankfully for the 4th of July sale, I stocked up on those. So I should be good for a few more months. From my desk forward, I have a mirror. I just love it because it's gold. That's kind of the aesthetics I try to go for, like the white, gold. I should get like some hooks, coat hangers and stuff, but for now this is doing the job. But I have my aprons hanging. And now I'm gonna show you guys what are in my drawers, starting off with this one. It's really nothing exciting. They're mostly like storage stuff. And then in here I mostly have like the foil wraps if I'm doing any 3D gels that day. In here they're a little packed, as you can tell, but because when it's holidays or occasionally I do like to give out like little mini goodie bags or things like that. So those are like fillers I can use to incorporate in the baggie. Oh my god, my chair! How was I not gonna show her? My client's chair, she's actually from the TikTok shop, so she's really comfortable. Then this is my chair. I got her on Amazon. My whole desk is from IKEA. I believe it's called the Alex drawer. And the top is from Lowe's. It's a little short, as you can tell, but I like it because it doesn't stain my action or my drawers. I'll go through them really fast. Okay, I'm not proud of this drawer. She's a mess. I just don't have storage for her on the wall. So these are all my Beatles nails and stuff. I only use them for like detail artwork. Little flowers, little stars. I use these for them. This drawer are all my almond stiletto nail tips, we have natural almond shores, sculpted. Up here we have the square tips. So you have long, natural, sculpted, medium, whatever you need. It's up here with coffin as well. In this drawer, you can find my nail glue, cuticle oil, base colors that are my favorite, top coat, and then I keep these cute ones in here, brushes. These are my clean implements and face mask. On top is all the prep. My gloves, files, buffers, my towels, and my nail bits. I'm missing a lot because they're over here. Over here, these are the implements, the dirty implements, the ones that need to get cleaned up. So that's why I'm missing a lot. But in this drawer, I keep not the pretty stuff. The cables, my drill, dust collector. From the bottom to the top, I have glitters, foil, stickers. And this is where I have all my charms. I try to organize them in the old nail tip boxes, but I feel like it just takes up even more space. Up next, we have this drawer is where I have my gel palette. I love her. If you guys know Amy Clients, she has the most beautiful palette. I did hit pan on some of the gels, but I don't want to get a whole new palette just for those few. So in this drawer, I have sponges, chrome, metallic applicators, and all the magnets and little silicone brushes to do 3D art. And then back here, I have my 3D molding gels for the flowers. Now this drawer is my favorite drawer because we have base gels. I know there are a lot, but I'm still going through some to see which one are my favorites. And this is where I keep all my hard gels. As you can see, I have a few. These are like blooming gel, foil glue. These are backup top coats, base coats, just in case. You never know what happens. Last but not least, my lamp. I also got her from Amazon, and she has different settings, you see. So that is super cool. And you could always move her around. And then she's cool. I love her. So I hope you guys loved my room tour. If you guys like watching nail content, more behind the scenes and lifestyle videos, then you picked the right video and right channel. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.